Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, July 7th. Futures back in positive territory coming off, third straight positive showing for the S&P 500 on Wednesday. Markets trying to maintain this rally as we head towards the end of the holiday shortened week. There's a look at how things stand right now, about 0.5% for the S&P, the Dow 0.2. It's the NASDAQ leading once again here in the pre-market, 0.75 to the upside. Tech stocks have been strong all week long. We get the Fed meeting minutes yesterday. Turned out to be a bit of a non-event. Not much to see for the overall market. We did go a little bit higher at the end of the day, once again led by the tech group. But back to the upside. Anyways, this morning, energy back in focus here, 1% to the downside. Back below $98 here for crude oil after the huge slide we had to begin the week. We're watching GameStop and a few other shares this morning. Here's a look at GameStop right now trading about 123, so up in this area, higher ever so slightly on this 4-for-1 split that was announced after the close yesterday. Chip stocks gaining here in the pre-market as well. AMD, NVDA leading the way. Samsung out overnight with better than expected quarterly earnings and a better than expected forecast as well. So that's benefiting some of the chip names early on this morning. Bed Bath & Beyond catching a bit of a bid here so far in the pre-market as well. The interim CEO buying a whole bunch more shares, and we'll watch Amazon again today. The news story yesterday, the big catalyst for Amazon. Back on watch this morning, coming off that news, acquiring a 2% stake in Grubhub. Member Uber and DoorDash to the downside yesterday. Price target cut. Some analyst moves this morning for DoorDash. Some of the Chinese names back on watch here. That COVID name or COVID word popping back up, sending Chinese shares sharply lower yesterday, although a lot of them are higher here in the pre-market. Make sure you grab the watch list, guys, coming out momentarily. Use QR code on screen right now. We will see you at 8:30. Guess what? Neil's back this morning. See you at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.